How to log into MyHTSpace Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in MyHTSpace Portal login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Just scroll down and then navigate to this one website option, myHTSpace.page. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now go ahead and scroll down. You'll see this option of login. Click on this option, login portal. You will be directed to this page. Again, scroll down and click on the option of MyHTSpace login. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the username. Then go ahead and type in the password. In the case you have any issues logging into your account, you can click on the option of trouble logging in and go through the process to resolve your issue. After you fill this, go ahead and click on the option of login, and just with that you will be logged into your account. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of register and go through the process. Well, this way you can easily log into MyHTSpace Portal online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.